This is the blueprint to make money online. This is the final video in the series, but it's actually pretty funny how it can be step one. It could be the first video. This is the strategy, the exact strategy that's going to help you find the students that are going to enroll in buy your $5 entry point digital product so that you can email them and nurture them all the way up to becoming high ticket students. Hey, I'm Alex. I've created and sold over 50 digital products, DIYing it all on my own, and I'm here to show you exactly how it's done so you can skip the struggle and get right to making money. Instagram is all about engaging and creating interactions with others. That's why this engagement strategy is not only the best way to sell your digital product by creating conversations, but it's also the best way to grow your Instagram account at the same time. You can do this with every single piece of content that you create and post. Single posts, carousel posts, reels, story. They lead to comments, which lead to DMs, which lead to conversations, which lead to sales. And this is done by including a CTA in every piece of content that you create, a call to action. And this doesn't always have to be a sales call to action, but some sort of call to action that's encouraging your followers, your audience to take action on your content, to engage with it. Instagram is a social platform. It wants you to be social. So ask a question, encourage a response, encourage a comment, create a conversation. But what I want to focus on here is a call to action to make a sale, to get your potential student on your waitlist, to download your freebie, or to actually purchase your digital product. We are no longer ending our posts in link in bio or adding the link sticker to our Instagram stories. Instead, we're creating engagement, connection, and building community. The Instagram algorithm wants you and everyone else to spend as much time interacting on the app as possible. They want to keep you inside of Instagram. So when you add a link in your story, or when you add link to bio at the end of your caption and people are clicking off of Instagram doesn't like this. At that point, the algorithm is not working in your favor. But it does work in your favor when you have an account that's getting a lot of engagement. Comments, DMs, replies. And this right here is our workaround to grow our Instagram account while we're also getting students to click a link and sign up for our digital product or online course. We get them to take action, to reply to a post or reel with a comment. Then reply to that comment with something excited about their reaction and that we're gonna send them a DM and they should check them right away. Then we, of course, send them that DM that we told them that was coming and start a conversation. Specific conversation about what you are offering. And from there, that's when you send them the link to join your online program. So not only do you have a student joining your waitlist, your freebie, or actually purchasing your online course, also now have 2 comments and a DM conversation going on in Instagram. So the sales logistics behind this engagement strategy is number 1, you are building connection. You start a conversation, you ask them a question. They see that you are human in general, but also that you are a human behind the brand, behind the digital product, behind what you're offering, AKA creating connection and building community. Number 2 is you know who's actually interested in what you have to offer. You have a record of this. You have a comment and you have a DM. So you can check back in. You can follow up. You can ask them a question, see where they're at, send them a reminder. And at this point, if they're still not quite ready to join your digital product, you can collect their email address so that you can put them in this nurture sequence and keep the process going. So let me show you it's done. It's super simple. You're going to create a post as you normally would in Instagram, a post, a carousel, a reel. And if it's a carousel, on the last slide. If it's a reel, at the very last couple seconds. And for all posts, in the caption, you are going to add a call to action. And this call to action is going to get that follower, your audience, to engage with you. Most of the time, what I'll do is I'll have them reply a certain word. The word I like to use often is digital. When they reply digital, I'm going to reply back with another comment being like, yes, I am so excited that you were interested in creating a digital product. I'm sending you a DM right now, go check. Once you send this comment, you now get into your DMs and you send them a DM asking them a deeper question about what you have to offer, starting an actual conversation. And then this is where you can actually send them the link to join your waitlist, get your freebie, or actually purchase your online course, your digital product. And then of course, since you have a record of who is interested, if they haven't followed through with that next step, You can follow up with them because you know who they are. When we just have a link in bio sticker or a link in story sticker, we don't know who's taken action on this. Using this engagement strategy allows us to see exactly who is interested. And then rinse and repeat. Just like that, we close the loop. You have from start to finish a strategy, find your ideal students and sell them your digital product. You really have the blueprint to make money online. And from here, it's time to keep creating, to keep attracting new students. Check out the next video on how to create catchy reels in Canva right here.